I was given these two little sketchbooks by Cinderlier when we had the biennial, watercolor international biennial this spring in Brittany. I had no idea what I might do with them. Then this week I'm following along on a workshop called Creative, oh dear, it's with Alice Sheridan. And one of the challenges was, a possible challenge, was to fill a sketchbook over the weekend. A small sketchbook she did specify. I can't remember the name of that. Creative Restore, anyway. So I went out in the garden with a small piece of charcoal and started sketching. Some of them are more successful than others. This is supposed to be camellias with a wild rose bush. This is a rose, Madame Alfred Carrière. This is my nut tree. Some plants I have along the house, my oniums and some fennel, jasmine, and what was that? Supposed to be foxglove and ferns. Some potted succulents I have on the windowsill. A yew that was planted by the birds, which I've been trying to keep small, along with iris and a hebe. Did I skip a page? No. Poppies, cardoon. My wheelbarrow, which today was having a rest. And to finish up, borage, which was buzzing with bees.